So this is default Blender view. You just have to delete everything, and we are going to make a watch, the main body of the watch. So just Shift A, and we are going to add a cylinder. And for this cylinder, I am going to rotate it R, X, and 90. So it will be rotated like that, and it will be in front of us. And I am going to simply press S and Y to scale it in the Y direction like that. Good, and Control A, and we are going to apply the scale and press tab. So we are in the edit mode, and so we can change its geometry, play with geometry to get the final shape of that object. So I am going to press 3, select this face and this face. These two faces I am going to set, and now I am going to press I to insert the geometry. So we add another loop like the edge loop 5, and here I am going to place it. And next, Control R, and I am going to add a loop here, and press Alt and select this complete loop. And here we can use this move tool and just move it a little bit in front. And here if we add the subdivision surface, you can see we get this shape. Okay, so for this one we have to move it a little bit more in front. And now if we click here on the X-ray, so we can see this face, press 3, this face, and here simply press I to insert it again and add another loop like that, and press I to add another loop. So here you can see and we get this geometry, and press 2, so you are in the edge selection mode. Select this edge and you can move it a little bit back. So you can just see and follow any watch you want to make. This is the process I am going to tell you, and it is only for this main body. So very simple tutorial. And here I am going to add more loops. Control R, add 2 loops, and we are going to scale it S and Y, and basically we are moving it by using the scale like that. So these edges become sharper, and Control R, sorry, one loop, and place it here, and Control R, add another loop like that, and Control R, one inside like that, and Control R, and another like that. Okay, so here you can see we have this dial of the path, and now we are just going to add this support structure for the leather belt or the chain belt. Okay, so for this one, we are going to go to the edit mode and press 1, so you are in the vertex selection mode, and here we have got this geometry so that we can mirror it, and we just needed to add one support structure for the belt, and it will going to be mirrored. Okay, so press 1, so you are in the front view, and here I am going to use the knife tool by pressing the K. So knife tool is activated, and if you see here we have this one, the cut through, which is off. So by pressing the C, we can make it on, and here in the middle I am going to select it, and we have to draw this straight line. We can also press A, so it will be straight, and just click here and press enter. So now you can see it will add a loop and cut this whole body, and again K and C, cut through is off, again press C, so it is on, and from this point and press A, so we have this straight, and enter, and here you can see it's make a cut through. And toggle X-ray is activated, and we are just going to select this top one and press X to delete the vertices, and select these vertices, this half, and S to delete these vertices. And here I am going to use the mirror. I'm going to use the mirror here, and clipping is activated, and then press Y So we just have this one and the quarter portion, and we just mirror it on the x and y direction, and we got the complete structure. Okay, now go to the face selection mode, and I'm going to select these two faces and see. So here we will have this support structure. So I'm going to press I to insert it. So we will get like that. Press 7, sorry 1. So we are in the front view, and then E to extrude it like that. Just move it like that, and R to rotate it, and again E to extrude it like that. Move it like that, and again E to extrude it. Move it and rotate it like that. Then press 1. So we are in the vertex selection mode. And just see this structure. So here we can do press 1 and toggle X-ray. We are going to add another loop here near to it, and just move these vertices like that. So we just get a circular shape. Just keep moving these vertices so you get a good shape. So just making it curvy. You can also follow any image, reference image for this structure, but I'm just going to make it without any reference. Okay, so just see if it's looking good. Just try it S and Y like that. Control R, get two loops here, and S and Y like that. If you want, press 1, select all of these. We can, let's see, S and Y, make it like that. Control R. Sorry, select this one. Read it like that and just move it a little bit in this direction. Very simple watch body. And here we have this one. So you can play with this structure in any way you like. You can make its thickness small. S and Y, S and Z, Y. It's looking good. So this is the body of the watch, and you can add the dials here, the pointed gauge for the time, and you can texture it using this dial texture. Just downloaded it and you can texture this one. it's completed our tutorial. I just want to make this body. So thank you so much.